along with that song, syempre, lahat naman tayo may sarili-sariling buhay, may sarili-sariling dreams and aspirations. Of course, I appreciate everything, every little thing, every single thing na gawin niyo for the club, for the fans club, and for me, all the support. But sana huwag natin kalimutan yung ating mga pangarap na sarili natin gustong gawin sa buhay. Lahat tayo may sarili-sariling capabilities, potential, and of course, ngayon na nahanap ko na yun yung purpose ko, gusto ko rin i-share sa inyo na kaya nyo rin. Kung feel, yun, magsisilbing inspiration din siguro yung mga dating admins. Hindi ko sinasabi...
Hi, ganun natin.
Hi, hello. Yeah, hindi ko naman sinasabing huwag na kayong maging active dito. Huwag naman sana. Pero tulad nila, syempre, when the time came na kailangan na mature as a person, as people, they went on and lumipad sila. They flew because they learned to fly. Hindi, yun. Yun, si Jessica nasa Qatar, si Charm nasa Dubai, UAE. Syempre, I thank them for being there for me nung dati pa. Pero,
Hi, ganun.
okay, hello ulit sa'yo. At, ayun, and the right balance lang. Kasi ako, syempre, mga idols din naman ako. Tulad nyo sa pag-idol nyo sa akin. And na-appreciate ko yun. Sobrang sobra. And the right balance lang is needed with everything. With your friends, with your family. Pero, always see to it na your priorities ma-level nyo to a point that you would be able to reach your full potential as a person. Sa kahit anong field, kung engineer ka, doctor ka, nurse ka, architect ka, software engineer ka, lahat. Always set the right goals in life. And kasi lalo na next level of love and appreciation, yung makita ko kayong isa-isang nagsasucceed in life. Hindi lang syempre yung ngayon na nasusuportahan nyo, hindi tayo, nag-enjoy tayo, pero pag makita ko kayo na, yung isang fan ko dati, ito na siya ngayon. So sobrang nakaka-fulfill din as a person na in a way, nakapag-contribute ako sa success nyo in bringing, of course, inspiration and happiness. That's what I want to do for everyone. I want this not only as a group, as a gathering lang na nag-enjoy, ganyan. I also want it as a group that we can all grow together as people, as persons, para maabot natin yung mga pangarap natin sa buhay. And yun yung important. And of course, always keep spreading the love. Stay positive always. That's what's important. Just in whatever you believe in life, ang pinaka-importante lang is to always keep that positive energy flowing para yun din yung mabalik sa'yo. So keep loving para mamahalin ka rin. And yeah, I also, syempre, I want to thank you again, everyone, for coming today sa ating simpleng salo-salo. And yeah, thank you. Yeah, let's do this. Yan, sa career-wise ko naman, nakita nyo kanina, I signed with Reality. So I'm doing very different stuff now. If, teka, urang ko lamig. Hindi naman dito pwede, dito na lang ako. I'm doing something very different and not like, kumbaga, ibang path yung tinahak ko. And yung strong belief ko in the power of my influence is what's keeping me driven. Kumbaga, kung ano yung kaya kong gawin bilang aktor, bilang artista, doon ako nag-focus ngayon. So, through everything that I will be doing, my films that I will be acting in, and films that I eventually will produce, the content I will be producing in the future, doon yung makikita yung mga mensahe na gusto kong sabihin. And of course, I'll sama-sama tayong mag-push social media, through communicating to people, word of mouth, we'll be able to, diba, make a difference here. And nakikita niya, iba na yung takbo ng industriya. Marami nang pwedeng gawin. May digital art na, may mga online shows na ang dami na, hindi na siya yung tulad lang ng dati na teleserye, movies. So ang dami ng opportunities, ang laki na ng field. And kung kayo rin, interested kayo, may mga stories kayo na gusto nyong ikwento, ibahagi, we're always open. I have a team. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam kasi, Maki and I, we own a production house, Limitless. So in the future, we'll be producing content. Be producing online shows, films. So if you're interested in, of course, telling a story, then you can just always, reach out. Pero yun, it would be very, very nice if you'd be able to, of course, I'd be super very appreciative if you'd be able to be with me on this journey of hello. Yeah, if you'd be able to be with me on this journey into creating a whole new platform in the industry here in the Philippines. And yun, fight all the way. Si Maki may sabihin daw.